Hello everyone, welcome to Dream MBBS Study Abroad. Today I am here to announce that admission has started in Kazakh National Medical University for January batch in Tech 2022. Let me tell you something about Kazakh National Medical University. It is one of the oldest university of Kazakhstan, established in 1931 and was granted the tag of National University by the government of Kazakhstan in 2001. One of the major problems Indian students always have, they will always ask us, so if I am going to study abroad in some nation, which culture they don't know, will they survive there? Will it be comfortable for them? Will they get Indian food there? What will be the language issue? Let me solve all your issues one by one. Kazakh National Medical University is based in Almaty, which is the capital city of Kazakhstan. And there are plenty of Indian messes there which are offering Indian food at a price of $100 per month. So we will not have any food issue, and it is cheaper also. The living expense is so low, the weather of Almaty is good. You have direct flight connectivity from all major cities of India, so flight connectivity is also not an issue. The major problem, the language. Let me tell you, the course is of 5 years and the medium of education is only English. That doesn't mean you don't have to learn their local language. You have to, because you have to live there for 5 years. You have to survive there, you have to go out, you have to do shopping and all. So learning the local language is must, and take it as an advantage. The more language you know, the more you grow. It is an old saying, right? It will reflect in your personality, it will boost your overall development, your confidence, your aura. So learning a new language is a good thing always. But it will not affect your education, because your education will be in English only, examinations will be in English only. So even if you learn the local language in 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, it doesn't matter. That's for your own comfort, and it is not for your education. So you can see there is no language issue, living expense is low, Indian food is available. Yeah, there are already many Indian students studying there. So you already have a cultural support there. You already have seniors who will guide you at every step of. You are going there, you are a new student, so you will face many problems. But you will not face them alone. But luckily, there are many Indian students who are already there, living from last 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, in every batches. The popularity of Kazakh National Medical University is known by the number of Indian students who go there every year to study, and that is more than 300 students per year per batch. So if you want to get admitted in the university, you should start now, because the seats are filling already very fast. You can ask how to proceed. You can start by calling our toll-free number at 1800-2020-20041, or by writing an email at our official mail address support@dream-mbbs.com. You can also send us a WhatsApp message directly at our official WhatsApp number +91 98350 70170. Let me repeat the numbers: 1800-2020-20041. The WhatsApp number is +91 98350 70170. The expert team of Dream MBS Study Abroad is always happy to guide you. Proceed now. Seats are filling very fast. Hurry up. Thank you.